25 creatine myths in under 5 minutes. Creatine damages your kidneys, not in healthy people using normal doses, according to long-term research. Creatine causes hair loss. There's no solid evidence proving creatine directly causes hair loss. Creatine is basically a steroid. It's not. Your body naturally produces creatine every day. Creatine makes you bloated and fat. It pulls water into muscle cells, not into fat tissue. Creatine causes dehydration and cramps. Large studies consistently show it doesn't increase either. You have to load creatine. Loading is optional and only speeds up saturation. You need to cycle creatine. There's no biological reason or benefit to cycling it. More creatine means more muscle. Muscles saturate quickly and stop absorbing extra creatine. Creatine stops working over time. Usually training quality or recovery declines, not creatine. Creatine only works if you lift heavy. It helps any form of high intensity or explosive training. Creatine helps your brain too. It supports brain energy, focus, and mental fatigue resistance. Creatine must be taken post-workout. Timing barely matters compared to daily consistency. Creatine must be taken pre-workout. There's no special timing window that changes results. Creatine only works on training days. It works by saturating muscles over time, not per session. Creatine needs sugar to absorb. Carbs help slightly, but aren't required. Creatine monohydrate is outdated. It's still the most researched and effective form. Liquid creatine works better. Creatine breaks down in liquid, making it unreliable. Expensive creatine is better. Price doesn't change effectiveness if purity is the same. Creatine raises blood pressure. Most studies show neutral effects in healthy users. Creatine is unsafe long-term. Long-term research consistently shows it's safe. Creatine is bad for teens. It's safe for young athletes when used responsibly. Creatine works without training. Benefits are minimal without exercise stimulus. Creatine permanently changes your body. Levels return to normal after you stop taking it. Creatine causes dependency. Stopping just lowers stored creatine, nothing more. Creatine is complicated. People massively overthink one of the simplest supplements. That was 25 myths in under 5 minutes. If you like this video, make sure to check out my other one and don't forget to subscribe.